Can't tell me it's not good.
So for the last 20 minutes, I've been sitting on my couch and it's been dead silent. And all of a sudden I hear Santa, and I thought it was coming from outside, and it's not. And this is my basement. Summer. Tell me it's in the same box as Chucky right now.
Yeah, it's right there.
What?
Yeah, it's in there.
Right, but it hasn't been touched, and all of a sudden, after all of these months, and it's off.
I'm recording this just in the off chance that no one believes me.